Hello and welcome back to another TopBizGuides tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a channel that you've previously created in order to add more users to it. So in a video that I covered in the past, I showed how you can create a channel using WorkChat over here in WhenIWork. Now, a channel is just like a group chat that you might know from any communication app that you use, whether in your personal life or your professional life, something that we're most likely familiar with. But let's say that you first created a channel, and when you first created it, you added a certain amount of users to it, whoever needed to be assigned at the time. But now as your company grows, or maybe it's just relevant to add more people to this channel, you want to. So we don't actually need to create a brand new channel. Instead, what we can do is click on the relevant channel. So for example, for me, I'll click on bar to use as an example. If I click on one more, by the way, it'll show me all the names that are currently assigned to this channel at the moment. So you see Chris, Harper, and Ed. It wasn't showing because it wanted to sort of save space, but if you click on one more, you'll be able to see that. Now click on this eye icon, and then I'll be able to add more coworkers from here. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to add Max, I could do that. Great, now we see that he's in the group. I could also edit the channel name or choose to leave this channel if I wanted to. So that's it. That concludes our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.